Hello everyone, you are watching Learn Easy with us. We provide educational and training videos every day. To stay updated with our latest content, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below after watching the video. Without any delay, let's get started. Ready? Let's dive into today's topic.
Now let's use ChatGPT to create a social media campaign around a product that we're trying to sell online. What I'm going to start with is this prompt. I'm selling a coffee mug with a cool Star Wars logo on it for millennials. Please write a detailed description of the product and put a list of the SEO keywords as bullet points at the end. Okay, so this is great. Let's just read a little bit of this as ChatGPT is going to work. Introducing the ultimate coffee mug for Star Wars fans and millennials alike. Our coffee mug features a sleek and modern design with a bold Star Wars logo that ensures to impress. Made from high-quality ceramic material, the mug is perfect for daily coffee fix or as a collector's item to add to your Star Wars memorabilia. It goes on to tell the capacity and all the other details about the coffee mug, its key features, and the SEO terms that I can use for my post. Now what I want to do is promote this product on YouTube. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to come up with 3 ideas that I can film with 2 of my friends about the product. And I want ChatGPT to make the 3 ideas in the storytelling style of George Lucas. Perfect. So I have my 3 different options that are just potential jumping off points that I could then turn into scripts, turn into new ideas, or turn into blog posts and copy for online use. But let's just go ahead and take a gander here. The quest for the ultimate coffee mug. In this idea, you and your 2 friends could film a short video that takes viewers on a quest to find the ultimate coffee mug. On the way, you could encounter various obstacles such as broken mugs, weak coffee, and an evil barista. I like it. Eventually, you could stumble upon a Star Wars coffee mug and triumphantly declare that the quest is over. Pretty cool, pretty sweet idea. We could remix it as needed. And really, the options here are just endless. And because this first option is so funny, let's have ChatGPT write a 60-second script on bullet point 1. Perfect. We have our 60-second script with me and my 2 friends, and even it puts a placeholder at the end here to put a product image with a purchase link to our Star Wars coffee mug. Now you can go out and you can film this, or you can even use a platform like ArtGrid and Canva to use online content such as B-roll and photos if you don't have the ability to film a concept like this on your own, which we're going to get more into that later in the course. And just as a little bit of a bonus tip here, if we wanted to go out and shoot a concept that we created on ChatGPT, but we didn't have the equipment or the means to film it ourselves, there's great websites like ArtGrid that you can get a ton of really unique and professional looking stock footage from.
Now we're going to ask ChatGPT to write us video descriptions, titles, and tags. So I'm asking ChatGPT, I just made a video on intermittent fasting. Write me a 100-word description. ChatGPT has just written our description for our video. Now I can ask, give me 20 eye-catching YouTube video titles. As you can see, I failed to specify what the titles are on, so let's try that again. Amazing. I can see at least a couple titles in here that I would actually use. Finally, give me 20 SEO-optimized video tags for a video about intermittent fasting. Great. So you can see that ChatGPT just gets to work and can write our video description, can write our video title, give us options. We could even ask it to give us more options. We could give it parameters. Give me a 3-word title or whatever you want specifically, and it can give you the SEO video tags that you need to succeed on YouTube.
So now let's dive into SEO and keywords. And this is a massive, massive topic with a lot of third-party tools that you need to really dive fully into this. But what we're going to talk about in this lesson is what ChatGPT can do and how it can help you with SEO. And just to give a little bit of an overview, what Google uses to rank its searches is something called latent semantic indexing. And what that is back in the day, you used to be able to just pad your articles and blogs with keywords. Like, for example, we're going to talk about skateboarding in this lesson. You say skateboard, 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 skateboard again and again in your article, and it would boost it to the ranking at the top. Now they use latent semantic indexing, and what that does is it groups keywords with what they're related to. So skateboarding is related to skateboard tape, bearings, skateboarding decks, all the other terms that align with that main term. You're going to want to make sure that you're using that, and ChatGPT helps us with that process. So let's hop into it. So what I first want to start with is asking ChatGPT to write a 100-word product description about a skateboard with glowing wheels, and we're going to see what we can do to optimize it. Now what I want to do is generate the high search volume keywords for skateboarders, aka my target audience, when they're looking for online products. And as I'm seeing this list come out, I'm seeing some repetitious use of the word skateboard. And now what I want to do is remove the duplicate word skateboard from this list. So ChatGPT can do that. We keywords, skateboard and skateboards. Perfect. Now we have our optimized list, and now what I want to do is ask ChatGPT to optimize our initial product description with the following keywords. So I'm going to copy these, put it in our prompt. So now we have our updated and optimized product description. Let's see what other techniques we can use to enhance our search engine optimization. So what I'm going to ask is for ChatGPT to suggest content topics that are likely to perform well in organic searches. It's going to come up with a list of product ideas and content ideas that I can go and create. So it came up with 15 new content ideas that I can go out and produce and upload online to show up in more organic searches. Let's see what else we can do. Now I'm going to ask it to analyze my competitors' keywords and determine what they're targeting and how to optimize my content to beat them in search rankings. Perfect. So it gives me the other tools that I can look into to further improve on my keyword search analytics. And you can continue to dive down this and follow the steps that it outlines and ask for more clarification and further ways to upgrade your SEO.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please leave your thoughts below so we can discuss more about the topic. If you'd like to suggest a video that could help the community, feel free to message me on X or Instagram. We also share short videos on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and might even create a video based on your suggestion.